AccuGlide Saws. Precision cuts every time.
Hello, my name is Mike Harris. For over 30 years, I've worked in the tile and stone industry. Now, as you watch this video, please pay attention to how quickly the saw sets up, how accurately it cuts, and the many features that can benefit you and your shop. Let me demonstrate some of the unique features of the AccuGlide. Notice the quick connect hose and the valve adjustment. 3 pressurized water jets on each side of the blade deliver an even water flow and never need to be adjusted. The saw rides on these 4 pins, which are Teflon-like material. They can very easily or quickly be adjusted. At each setup, it is necessary to turn the water on and quickly adjust the elevation of the saw. The close proximity of the water valve and elevation adjustment contributes towards the rapid setup of this system. In the first setup, my son Ben will cut a 9'3" slab using the AccuGlide 2000 QT model and 12.5-foot independent stainless steel tracks. You can cut up to 133 inches using these tracks. The 12.5-foot tracks are placed in approximate position. Ben is putting the 2 calibration indicators on the tracks. The tracks are easily positioned to the cut line with these patented calibration indicators. Our patented tracking system ensures that clamps or suction cups aren't needed. Only the blade and the neoprene on the tracks touch the stone, so there is no scratching, guaranteed. Did you notice the noise level? This is accomplished with a quiet and true hub. The quiet and true hub is a blade silencer and stabilizer that achieves 40% overall noise reduction. Note the noise level using the same blade without the quiet and true hub. When you step cut in stone, you will greatly increase production and extend blade life. This is easily accomplished with our stable tracking system. As our customers put it, it cuts like butter. If you choose to hog a full cut in dimensional stone, you will have a substantial drop in production, blade, and motor life. Now let's go back to our first cut. As you can see, the AccuGlide will give you a smooth, chip-free, seam-quality cut. Ben is setting up a Crosscut using the AccuGlide 5-foot rack. Note how quickly we are moving from a 12.5-foot track setup to a Crosscut setup. This is done in almost no time at all and with minimum effort. Just 1 or 2 quick moves. Put the saw in place on the cut line and we're ready to go. Notice too how effortlessly Ben handled the saw. Note the quick movements to turn the water on, loosen the elevation knob, then lower the saw to the first cut depth. The step gauge on the left side is an easy reference indicator for setting progressive depths for each pass. The depth gauge on the right side sets the maximum depth of the cut for the final pass. It can be adjusted to 2 cm or 3 cm stone or even a 1/4 inch rotting channel. The rack can be quickly positioned to accurately cut out a sink or stove. This is an AccuGlide with the quick attach walk behind handle. The saw and handle accessory can be used for trimming tile in place, control and expansion joints, inlaying stone, decorative concrete scoring, and early on green concrete cutting. We have interlocking tracks in 3 to 10 foot lengths available for extensive concrete or inlay jobs. We are a family-owned and operated business. One thing we pride ourselves on is our product and our service. Feel free to give us a call. One thing I can guarantee about an AccuGlide is that we'll deliver precision cuts every time.